Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's edition of Focus. We are so close to Rosh Chodesh. The Shabbos is Shabbos Mevarchim. And we are so close to Rosh Chodesh Sivan. We are so close to Shavuos. Shavuos is almost a week. Next week at night, next week Thursday night, is Shavuos. And we are so excited, and we are going to continue getting ready for Shavuos with today's video. And the question is, why was Mashiach Sefer Torah written? We are going to be watching a very, very special video. Especially if any of you guys have ever been in 770 on Shabbos or Yom Tov, and you saw them taking out this beautiful, very, very tall Sefer Torah with a beautiful silver and gold crown. And you asked which Sefer Torah this was? This was Mashiach Sefer Torah. And this Sefer Torah is very, very special. There's a whole story behind it. But I'm not going to ruin it. I'm going to let the video tell you all about it. And at the end of the video, I'm going to want to know, why was Mashiach Sefer Torah written? Here we go.
Today, we are going to ask you, for what purpose was Mashiach Sefer Torah written? Listen closely and follow along, so you'll know the answer.
Yeah, sure. Did you hear what's going to happen this Friday?
No, what's happening?
There's going to be the Siyum of Mashiach Sefer Torah.
Mashiach Sefer Torah?
We're now in the year Tafshin Lamed. 28 years ago, in the year Tafshin Beis, the Frierdiker Rebbe announced that the Sefer Torah will be written expressly for the purpose of greeting Mashiach. And the writing began in the presence of the Frierdiker Rebbe. Zedi even bought a letter in this Sefer Torah.
Oh, really? Wow! And it took the Sefer so long, 28 years, to write the Sefer Torah, that we're only having to see him now?
The Sefer almost completed writing it 22 years ago. For some reason that we don't know, there has been no Siyum Sefer Torah till now. But the Rebbe announced that the Siyum will be this Friday.
I'm getting so excited. So where is this Siyum going to be? Actually, let me guess. In 770 with our Rebbe.
You guessed it. And it's this Friday because it's Erev Yud Shvat, marking 20 years after the passing of the Frierdiker Rebbe. And the big day arrived. Friday, Erev Yud Shvat, Tafshin Lamed.
Brati, who's that holding the Sefer Torah? And what's in that box that the Rebbe's holding?
Reb Elia Simpson is holding the special Sefer Torah. I wonder what could be in that box.
Now the Sefer is writing the last few letters of the Sefer Torah.
Look, they're picking up the Sefer Torah for Hagbe. V'zeh Torah.
I see the Rebbe is opening the box. Oh wow, a beautiful crown.
And the Rebbe is placing it now on the Sefer Torah.
The Rebbe is carrying the Sefer Torah to the Arik Kodesh under a chuppah. Hasidim near the Rebbe are holding burning candles. Brati, I can't wait to greet Mashiach with the Sefer Torah.
Dear children, now, 47 years later, this Sefer Torah is still in 770.
and on special days is taken out to be read from. May we greet Mashiach with it now.
Today's question is, for what purpose was Mashiach Sefer Torah written?
Very good. So again, why was Mashiach Sefer Torah written? If you guys know the answer, please let your Rebbe know, and you might be awarded valuable points. Let's move on to today's lesson, which is the Parsha Fire Squad. And this week the question is, how do we protect the Yiddishkeit in our homes? Very important question. And our guest today is Eitan Issachari. Let us begin. Wow, what's the great smell? Mendy and I just finished baking cheesecake for Shavuos. I'm right in time to be a tester. That was my job. Anyway, Rivki hid them. Right, she put them in the freezer labeled as raw gefilte fish. I wanted to hide them in my treasure box near my bed, but Rivki didn't let me. Speaking of treasures, this Shavuos will be getting the greatest of them all, the Torah. I never ever saw someone keep a Torah in a box near their bed. Then how do we keep it safe? Eitan of Dura Midbar might know the answer. Bleep 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 bleep. Boing. Wow, look at those colorful flags waving in the wind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Why so many? Shalom Aleichem Chayolim. I am Eitan Issachari. Aleichem Shalom. Does Issachari mean you're from Shevet Yisachar? I am, but no matter what Shevet we may be, we all get along around here. We might notice that our machane is square. You might notice that our machane is square, with 3 Shevatim camping on each of the 4 sides. So 12 flags represent all of the Shvatim. Precisely. What's in the middle of the camp? Oh-ho! That's where we keep the greatest treasure of all, the Mishkan. United, we Shvatim surround the Aron HaKodesh and the Kalim of the Mishkan. Saviv le'ohel moyed yachanu. We'll do so until we reach the promised land, Eretz Toiva Urechava. That sounds like the very best place to keep a treasure. Indeed it is. But remember, Hashem says, V'shochanti b'seicham, that He dwells in each and every Jew. When you make your home, your own home, into a Mishkan, a place Hashem could rest, it becomes as holy as if the Aron HaKodesh itself is there. We learned about that. We can make our homes holy when we fill them with Yiddishkeit, Torah, and mitzvahs. And you must protect that holiness. The same way we camp around our Aron, you need to surround and guard your Mishkan and not let anything not good come inside. Just like I protect my treasures in my box right next to my bed in my room in our house. I can guard my Mishkan by being careful with what I eat and always checking snacks for a hechsher. And I can make sure to only look at only kosher things on the computer. These are wonderful examples. Hashem gives the koyach to every Jew, including children, to behave properly and protect their Mishkan and their machane. When Jewish kids guard the Yiddishkeit of their homes while journeying through Galus, Hashem gives brachas to the entire family, begashmias uveruchnias. You know, I'm ready to end this Galus journey right now. You're on your way. The Anane HaKaved protect Bnei Yisrael now, and may Hashem protect you in your mission. I can't wait to finally reach Eretz Yisrael with Mashiach. Don't forget to pack the cheesecake. It's great Parsha Fire today. So the question is, how do we protect the Yiddishkeit in our home? If you know the answer, let your Rebbe know. And let's move on to the Mashiach Minute with Rabbi Munitz.
Inyana Geula Mashiach. In Malachi, the last two psukim, verses, tell us about something that will happen right before Mashiach comes. Hashem says that He will send the Jews Eliyahu Navi, Eliyahu the prophet. This will happen before the amazing day of the redemption. Eliyahu Navi will help turn the hearts of the fathers back to Hashem through their children, and he will help the children's hearts turn back to Hashem through their parents. Rashi says that Eliyahu Navi will tell the children lovingly that they should go to their parents and tell them to follow the ways of Hashem. The children will help the parents to act in a way of Torah. This is one of the prophecies of what will happen before Mashiach comes. Children will be a living example for their parents so that they will be inspired to live the way Hashem wants. We want Mashiach now!
Amen. Thank you very much, Rabbi Munitz. Please complete your missions. We are approaching Matan Torah. What greater gift you could show the Rebbe and the Eibishter than showing him that you are doing the mitzvahs and doing all the different beautiful things that the Rebbe is encouraging us to do. Let's make sure you put it inside the app. Yesterday's question was Parshas Bamidbar sees us counting the Yidden. What other Parsha in Chumash Bamidbar sees us counting the Yidden? And the answer is Parshas Pinchas. And now, to today's riddle. Today's riddle is, in addition to Matan Torah, what else happened on Shavuos? I'll give you a couple of moments to think. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If you know the answer, let your Rebbe know. Shavuos contest is happening, guys. I want to see my Monday submissions, videos of a model, videos of flowers, Har Sinai, luchos. You could take 2 tissue boxes, put them together, cover them with white paper, and make the letters of the Aseret Hadibros. It's not that hard. Or a 60-second video of you saying a story or a Dvar Torah about Shavuos. And we have those beautiful automatic prizes and grand prizes. Guys, chaparein. Thank you so much for joining us today. It was a lot of fun. And I can't wait to see you guys in the Beis HaMikdash later today with the coming of Mashiach now. Together with me, 1, 2, 3, we want Mashiach now.